We need to deliver these 2 special Eskrima sticks to one of the 5 wise men, known as Sensei. PZ301, I'm assigning you to this mission. Do I have any other volunteers to help out with 301?
Yes, I like to volunteer and help PZ301 for this mission.
I appreciate your enthusiasm, 88.
I can hold on to these?
No, you are merely escorting 301. 301, take these, and don't let go of them.
Of course. Let's go.
Alright guys, we're going on a mission to go meet the sensei. Gonna be delivering these weapons to him. Me and this PZ member is gonna do it together. Hold on there, PZ member. Let me go and get something real quick, alright?
Alright guys, it's me V. The reason I'm talking kind of weird is because I'm disguised as PZ member 88, I think. His name is Billy Bob, so I'm gonna be talking a little weird. Plan is that I'm gonna try and take the weapon from him and get to the sensei before he does. Thing is, I don't have the map. He does, so I'm gonna try and figure out where that map is, where it leads to, and get the weapon too. Okay, let's get back.
Well, what are you doing there?
Just practicing a little bit.
You reckon I can give that a try?
It is my sworn duty to make sure that this does not get into the hands of anybody other than my own. You have to hold the camera though.
Alright, let's go then. Can you show me the map?
Quite absolutely. I haven't been with Project ZORGO long, so I don't really understand how to read this.
This guy doesn't even know how to use a map. What a loser. How do you even get into PZ? You know what? See, I actually know how to use this map. Let me show you how it works, okay? You just gotta use the spyglass right here. Show me your phone again. Alright, you just gotta go over it, like this. Yeah, here, you try it.
Oh, I'm quite impressed.
You must be a new member, so you don't even know how to use the map.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Is that the real Billy Bob?
Alright. Let's go. Let's get to the sensei right now. Let's hurry up.
Right.
You need to hurry up. Hurry, pick it up.
Understood.
Alright, hold on. Stop. Come here. Let's just take a little rest right here. I'm smart in the brains, but I'm not very good with the physical. So there, can you tell me a little bit about this weapon?
Apparently, when we deliver this weapon to the sensei, it will become 100 times more powerful.
Can I just let me see?
Oh, well.
Can I just like hold it, man?
I mean, I can show you a little bit.
Can you show me how to use it? Let's show me over here. Come on.
All right.
Right here. Let's practice some more sneaking skill, cause like I don't think you have enough yet. So put these away and let's start sneaking.
I shall practice.
Okay. Let's go in that tree right there.
Of course.
You always gotta be a little lower. You gotta be behind this tree, man. Yeah. Oh, let's go this way. We're just practicing our hiding skills right now. All right, you just gotta get a little lower. Let's go a little bit this way.
Okay.
All right, you gotta make sure no one's behind you and in front of you. And make sure to be behind this tree right here. That's very good, man. I like that. Are you hugging in the tree? Oh, let's go around this side right now.
All right.
All right, let's get a little moving over here. Right there, yeah. Let's stay right there, a little lower, yeah.
PZ member, why are we doing this? Don't we have a mission to fulfill?
Yes, we do, but you know, gotta practice on the way. Let's deliver this weapon now. All right, you can lead the way, so now you know how to use the map.
Well, PZ88, it appears our coordinates are 46 degrees north and 36 degrees east.
All right, Len, let's go, man.
Yes, understood.
All right, guys, The PC member is right in front of me. Did you guys see Billy Bob around this park somewhere? Since I'm undercover as Billy Bob right now, it is really scary. If Billy Bob discover that I'm trying to pretend to be him, that's gonna be really dangerous because that's 2 hackers against me. So please, I need you spy ninjas to keep an eye out. If you see Billy Bob anywhere around, leave it in the comments below. But now we actually know where we need to be. He gave us the coordinates, so I know exactly where to go. But the thing is, I still want to get that piece of weapon from him, but he's really possessive of that weapon. He wouldn't even let me touch it. So I'm gonna have to be really sneaky and try and get that weapon from him. Man, he's running really fast. Oh my gosh, he's really fast.
What's taking you so long?
I'm a little bit slow, you know, I got some weight on me.
Alright. Hi. You trying to take a glimpse at me weapons?
I just think it's so nice. I just want to look at it, man. Yeah, can you show it to me?
Show, but don't touch.
Oh, alright then.
It's beautiful, ain't it?
It sure is.
Enough gallivanting. It is time we move.
Alright then. Peter, man, slow down. I'm getting a little tired. Alright, let's slow down. I'm a little slow, you know. I'm not that fast as you.
How long have you been with Project ZORGO anyways, 88?
About 2 years.
Do you know when Project ZORGO started?
A very long time ago.
Do you also know who our biggest targets are?
I sure do. It's those bad spy ninjas, Qwaint, Clay, and Qwaint.
Okay. What is Chadwald Clay's best and most favorite weapon?
I know he likes the nunchucks.
Can you say nunchucks one more time?
Nunchucks.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you guys, my accent just slipped. I forgot to say nunchucks with an accent, so I hope he didn't get suspicious of me.
PZ88,
Yes.
can you even tell me what the name of the weapons I am carrying are called? These.
Where if you let me touch them, I can tell you what they are. These is called a screamer stick. Yes, a screamer stick.
PZ member. Okay, enough games. What an excellent demonstration of your weapon knowledge, PZ88.
Thank you, man.
Alright, Spy Ninjas. Good thing I have been using the Gadget Master game on the Spy Ninja Network, because without that, I might not know what those are. So if you guys want to learn more about the weapons, make sure to download the Spy Ninja app right now and play the new Gadget Master game. In case you ever run into a PZ member and they quiz you about some weapons, you know exactly what they are. Let's not forget about this mission right now, is to get that weapon. Alright, so let's come up with a plan.
Hey, look over there. Look over there. Look.
Hey!
Oh man, that just fell out right there, man.
Alright, PZ member. I'm quite unenthused with your behavior recently.
I help you read the map, man.
Yes. However, you were not assigned to carry any of these weapons, and yet you seem very interested by these.
They're very nice. The weapon's very nice. I just wanted to touch it.
Well, PZ88, who are you really?
My real name is Billy Bob.
Maybe it's time to say what is under that mask of yours, PZ88.
No. PZ member, never reveal the true identities. You can't do that to me.
Hey! That's the imposter! Get her!
No!
Oh gosh, I think Billy Bob is here. I think they caught me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I think I outran them. I don't know where they are right now. That was too close. All right, guys. I'm way up here. I don't think they know that I'm up here. I mean, there's a lot of hiding places. Okay, I don't think they know where I am. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're right there. They're right there. They can't see me, I'm like way up here. All right guys, I'm gonna put the camera right here. They can't see me behind here. They're distracted over there, so I'm gonna see if I can take them out somehow because I'm like on higher grounds and I have the advantage.
PZ88, come here. Is this the camera your imposter was using? Yeah! That means she must be around here somewhere.
I reckon we take her camera.
Bring it on, Hooker!
PZ88, who are you really?
Who am I?
I'm the Qwaint! Guys, I got one of the screamer sticks! Let's go! What? Give it to me!
I'm going to beat you to the sensei!
No, you're not! No, you're not! Oh my gosh, you guys! The hacker got the other one! I have this one! So I gotta hurry and beat him to meet with the sensei! Alright, let's go!